Without juice.
Ayun yung lights natin dyan. Wala tayong ilaw, di makita.
Okay.
Okay, game.
You have this, what do you call this?
Sabi mo,
Empty bottle.
Empty bottle.
Hi, this is how you open Sunmig light without the power of pambukas.
Bottle opener.
Okay.
Bottle opener. That's the key.
Dali mo.
Okay.
Very well said.
Okay.
You get an empty bottle.
Empty bottle.
Empty bottle. Yes.
Meaning of empty bottle is a Greek word empty. Meaning empty, none.
Not
Ganun.
full.
Tamad din kayo eh.
Mag-research kayo.
You put the, what do you call this? Taansen on the tip of the another taansen. Like this. You know this?
Then,
Yes.
then,
This, those, like that. It's what you call helping verb. Mali. Tanga.
grammatically correct.
Then you put your energy here on your left hand. Grip like this. This, like this, alright? Then you put the tip of the taansen on the tip, on the other tip of the taansen. Like this. This. Then you say, ha! Huha! Spartan! Charing.
Ulit.
Huha! Ulol, gago. Like this. This.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready, kumbrad?
Ready.
Alright.
Ja.
Then you... Op! Commercial. Pag-trip. Patas!
Mag-bonakid preschool. 3 plus mag-3
Pataas! Mag-bonakid preschool. 3 plus! Alright.
Okay.
I'm back to the session 101 on how to open
Kasani pa, Jerayo.
bottle.
Bottle.
Like this.
Like this. Okay.
Saan tayo minto?
Like this.
Like this. Unlike this.
Yeah.
Then you put the tip
Tip.
on the tip. Tip plus tip equals money. God
Palabas.
damn it. Then you... all you need is to put
You need-
your energy here.
You need ha.
Huha. It's not ha. Huha. Tangina nyo.
Bilisan mo, wala ng memory.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready.
I'm not ready. I'm ready.
Okay.
Bilisan mo! Huha.
Huha. Fuck you.
Thank you.
Thank you.